Dawkins. Welcome to the Lindsay farmhouse model located in Nansemond Reserve, which is in northeastern Suffolk. This community is in close proximity to the interstate as well as great shopping opportunities in Harborview. Enough about this area though, wait till you see the inside.
Hi, I'm Hunter Nowell. Welcome inside the Lindsay model. The kitchen features locally made cabinetry from North Carolina, opening to a dining room and living room with a gas fireplace standard. For those of you that want a bedroom downstairs, our flex space can be turned into one. If you think the first floor is amazing, wait till you see the second floor. Check it out.
I'm Kaylee Winter. Welcome to the second floor of the Lindsay model. I'm currently standing in the owner's suite, where you'll have high vaulted ceilings and so many upgrades to choose from that we can't wait to have you come and visit us to tell you all about them. Talk to you soon.
Home is presented to you by Taylor Construction and Atlantic Sotheby's International Realty.